Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable only mention notifications in your Discord server. This simple setting helps you stay focused by muting unnecessary alerts while still keeping you informed when someone mentions you directly. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you are on your home screen, select the server where you want to adjust the notification settings. Next, tap the server's name at the top of the screen. This will open a small menu filled with options for that particular server. From here, choose Settings to access the server's configuration panel. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs designed to help you manage your server. Tap on Overview. It's usually near the top of the list. The Overview page contains basic details like your server name, region, and various default settings. Now, scroll down until you find a section labeled Default Notification Settings. This is where you can decide what kind of notification new members, including you, will receive by default. Under this section, you'll notice two main options: all messages and only at mentions. By default, Discord sends notifications for every message on the server, which can quickly become overwhelming. To reduce the noise, select only at mentions. This way, you'll only get notified when someone tags you directly using the @ symbol. After making this change, you don't need to do anything else. Discord automatically saves your new setting.